Hi there, here's the design for a proportional to switched output joystick, and it's being run in 11 volts. So basically we are using a slider joystick which runs at 5 volts. So it's being powered from the UNO board with 5 volts there, and as you keep moving the joystick in the forward direction based on the thresholds, the LEDs get switched on. So each of those digital outputs supply a 40 milliamp current, and this is the other side, and that's basically it. So what we are using is AVR Atmega 328P on an Arduino board. It's a UNO board, and 8 outputs digital, and single analog input from the joystick, and that's basically it.